Hello Forex traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. In today's video, I will explain why you will never be profitable. Um, like I said previously, I've been trading for a very long time and I was never profitable until within the last 12 months. And this is because I've changed my psychology, I've changed the way I see trades, I've changed um, the way I I was thinking before. We were all taught, this is how you trade, this is what you look for, and this is what not to do. But I can tell you, you need to change. It's basically turn, the way they taught you how to trade, turn it upside down. Yeah. We were taught wrongly. The banks know where your stop losses are. The banks knows where you're entering the trade. They can see it and they can see where you've put your take profit. So this is why time and time again, the market goes your way. You get 10, 20 pips, and your target is about 50 pips. By the time it gets to 30 pips, the market goes back, takes you out, and then comes back to hit your 50 pips without you participating in that trade. And there's a reason why this happens. If you are support and resistance traders, you will realize that you are blowing account after account. You can never be profitable trading support and resistance. Yeah, you can do 10 trades and then you win 3 and then you lose 7. Yeah. Um if you're supply and demand trader, you will never be profitable trading that on its own because there are loads of supply and demand zones everywhere on the chart. So which one do you take? Yeah, so if you keep taking every supply and demand zones that you see, you are going to keep blowing your account. If you use the what's it called, the um indicators, you are also going to lose money. So no matter what strategy you use, you will continue to blow your account unless you understand the concept that I'm going to show you today. If this is your first time on this channel, please do watch the other videos on this channel as well. Yeah, I think the last 3-4 videos that that you see before this one, watch them. You have a good understanding what to look for, but I will explain them again on this video. Okay, so let's go straight in and I'll explain it to you. So have a look at this to your right. So there's a reason why this happened. Okay, there's a reason why this happened. Before this happened, there are traders that were going short. Before that happened, there were traders that were going short. And those traders are the support and resistance traders. So if you look at these equal highs here, so take a look at these equal highs here. So here this zone acted as a what? A support. It was a support. Actually resistant. Yeah, resistant. Acted as a resistant. So yeah, so this was a zone here that market pulled back up and then it held. Yeah. So there was a push up there, the zone held, and another push up here, it dropped down. So when support and resistance traders have seen this zone, their eyes are on this level because they want to go short on this level. So if there are any further bounces to the right, they will take a short trade. Yeah, and when they take this short trade, where would they aim to target? They'll aim to target this low. So the banks know that you're trying to target this low already. So the banks know that. Yeah, so the banks know already where your target, where you're aiming, because they've created this wick here because they know that they want to also participate in going short, but they don't want to go short when you're going short. So what happened next? So then there's another bounce here. So if you've missed that bounce there, taking short, you participate here and you also participate there. If you've missed this one, you will take this sell as well. And when you take this sell, where would your stop loss be? Your stop loss would be above this resistance area. Yeah, this is where your stop is going to be, above this level, because this is how the gurus told us to trade. This is how the textbooks, this is how the online literatures, whatever you go, whatever you read, whatever courses you buy, this is what they tell you: put your stop above the level or above the previous high or low, as the case may be, depending on what trade you're taking. So if you're taking a sell trade, it would be put your stop above the level or above the last higher high. Yeah. Okay. So you've done that. You've taken this short there, or you've taken that short there. You've put your stop above the level. What happens? The market went up and took you out, and then straight down without you. If you've gone short there, you've gone short there, you've gone short there. The market has gone your way without you participating in that trade. So when all this is happening, if you have the knowledge that I have, what you do is you sit back and you watch people take sells. You watch people go long, because people are going short there, and then the breakout traders have also gone long there because, oh yes, we have a breakout of this level, so they've all gone long. And where would the stop be? The stop would be below these lows, below that low, below that low. And what happens? They're all taken out. So if you've gone short, you're taken out. If you've gone long, you're taken out. And this is the reason why I'm saying to you, you will never be profitable. Never. Never be profitable. Because for the forex market is manipulated. I don't care what anyone tells me. I've been doing this for the last 7 years. And I've only been profitable since the last 12 months. And this is because I've changed the way I trade. I don't trade like I used to trade before. Okay? So, all these short takers there, they're all taken out. The long, the people that have gone long also, the stops are there. They've all also been taken out. Like I mentioned, there are 3 types of traders. You're either a level trader, which is people that are shorting on this level. They are level traders. Support and resistance traders are level traders. Second type of trader is a breakout trader. People that have gone long here are breakout traders. And the third traders are retracement traders. So if you've gone short here, the market retraced back to the level, and then you also want to go short, you want to participate. Retracement traders. Yeah. So those are 3 types of traders. Now, how do we participate in this market? So what you do is, once this is happening, you know that you want to go short. I know I want to go short because I've seen this level created. So I've seen all these bounces from there, from this level. So I know that the banks wants to go short. So what I look then is I look for my supply zone above this level. Because I know if you've taken short here, your stop will be above this level. So what I do is I look for a supply zone because I know that the banks will use that supply zone as an entry to drop the market down. So what I do is I go to my left. So I go to my left to look for a supply zone. Okay. So what do we do? Sorry. I'm not sure why this is off. Okay. So this is the first supply zone above that level, and this is the second supply zone above that level, this right here. Okay, but for the sake of this video, not to make it too long, this zone here is called the drop base drop supply zone. Drop base drop supply zone. So a drop base drop supply zone is a continuation pattern of a supply zone. Okay, so it is a continuation pattern. So what I do is I then identify the zone as my supply zone above that level that the banks have created. Okay, so that is my zone. So what I do is I plot that zone and then I wait. I then wait for what? I wait for these long breakout traders that have gone into this market. I wait to go short once the price hits the supply zone. Okay, so as you can see, price hit the supply zone and did what? And then dropped. So this is how to trade profitably. You don't go long when everyone else is going long. You do not go short when everyone else is going short. You wait for all this to happen before you take your trade with the banks. So what do you do first? The first thing you do is identify equal highs in the market if you want to go short. Do not go short without an equal high because the banks want liquidity. Yeah, they want to grab all the stop losses before they can participate in the business. If you want to take all the supply and demand zones, you will not be profitable. Why? Because this is a supply zone. Drop, base, drop. What happened? It didn't go far. Yeah, markets pushed up. This is also a supply zone. What happened? It didn't go far. It pushed up. This is also a supply zone. What happened? It put back a little bit and then pushed up. This is equal. This is also a supply zone. Yeah, it worked. It did work. Yeah, it did work. but you don't take all supply zones. If you want to be profitable, you only take a supply zone above the levels that the bank has created. I hope this video is clear. I hope it's easy to understand. Um, if there are anything that you would like me to do to explain further, please drop a comment and I will try my best to explain them. If I don't know what your answer, the question, if I don't understand your question, or I don't know how to explain it, or I'm not knowledgeable about what you've asked me, then I will equally tell you. Yeah, this channel is not where we where I come to tell you, what everyone else tells you. Um, this is a channel that will teach you how to trade profitably, that will show you a market, what to look out for before taking them. I'm going to be calling trades, basically showing you what to expect before it happens. Yeah, if you look at my previous videos, I've called out trades. The Euro GBP, for example, and I've also called the USD card I'm going to show you now. So if you watch my previous video, you see that when the market was here, I did a video, so you can watch it, my previous video. I explained, I think the market was here at the time. I explained that the market is going to go back up to take out people that have gone short, all these short takers there. The market was here, so I explained that all these people have gone short there. Yeah, their target is this low here, and as you can see, the market didn't actually get to that low. So there are people that are still holding on to their shorts. And what happened? I said that the market is going to go up to take them out, and then I'm looking at taking a short right here, this supply zone there. Yeah. So I called. This is a trade I called last week, and no, not last week. I think it was on a Thursday, last Thursday or Friday. Yeah. So my eye is on this trade. For this week, it's nearly to the supply zone. So if you see that we have two supply zones there, the first one and the second one, and I explained that I am not going to take this first zone here. Why? Because this level here is too close to this zone. I believe that if you've gone short here, here, you are taught to put your stop loss above this higher high here. Oh, sorry, lower high here. Yeah. So I believe that all the short takers here, the stop are going to be above here, and the bank are going to try and break this zone, which they have done. As you can see, they have broken that zone. And I said, watch the previous video, you will hear me saying on the video, don't take this zone, but take that zone, because there are stops above this level. I did say that. Watch the video. Okay. So I think we should um end this video here, because it's already too long. I don't like doing long videos. So where are we? Yeah. Right. So yeah, sure. If you like what you've heard, drop me a like and leave a comment. Um I'm not one to beg for subscribers. I believe that if you like a content, you would subscribe to listen and watch more videos from the producer. So if you like what you've watched or what you've heard from me, and you want to be part of this channel, then you're welcome. But if you think that what I just said was full of BS, then yeah, go to the next one. Yeah. But if you're here with me, you would change your trading style, and we'll all be profitable together. All right. Take care. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Peace out.